Title: Boost Your Health, 10 Superfoods Essential for a Heart-Healthy Life. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, it's easy to neglect our health, particularly when it comes to our hearts. However, by incorporating the right superfoods into our diets, we can take significant strides towards maintaining a heart-healthy lifestyle. In this article, we'll explore 10 superfoods that can help you boost your health and support cardiovascular well-being. Berries bursting with benefits. When it comes to superfoods for heart health, berries are a top contender. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with antioxidants, such as flavonoids, which have been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease. Adding a handful of these vibrant fruits to your morning cereal or yogurt can provide a delicious and nutritious boost to your day, helping you to stay on track with your heart-healthy diet. Omega-3 rich salmon. Fatty fish like salmon are renowned for their omega-3 fatty acids, which play a crucial role in heart health. Omega-3s help to reduce inflammation and lower levels of triglycerides, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. Incorporating salmon into your diet a couple of times a week can provide you with a potent dose of these beneficial fats, supporting your efforts to maintain a healthy heart. Leafy greens for vitality. Popeye had the right idea when he championed spinach for strength. But leafy greens offer more than just muscle power, they're also fantastic for heart health. Varieties like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote cardiovascular wellness. Whether sautéed, blended into smoothies, or enjoyed in salads, these greens are an essential component of a heart-healthy diet. Oatmeal, a comforting classic. Starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal isn't just comforting. It's also a smart choice for your heart. Oats are a rich source of soluble fiber, which can help to lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Add some sliced bananas or a handful of nuts for extra flavor and nutrition, and you'll have a delicious breakfast that's doing your heart a world of good. Nuts and seeds for snacking success. When you're feeling peckish between meals, reach for a handful of nuts or seeds to satisfy your hunger and support your heart health. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are all excellent choices, thanks to their high levels of heart-healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. Just be sure to enjoy them in moderation, as they're calorie-dense foods. Avocado, nature's butter, creamy, delicious, and incredibly nutritious, avocados are a must-have superfood for anyone looking to boost their heart health. These green gems are packed with monounsaturated fats, which can help to lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Spread some avocado on whole grain toast or add it to salads for a tasty and heart-healthy addition to your meals. Dark chocolate delights. Yes, you read that right, dark chocolate can be good for your heart. This indulgent treat is rich in flavonoids, which have been shown to improve heart health by increasing blood flow, reducing inflammation, and lowering blood pressure. Opt for dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, 70% or higher, to reap the maximum benefits, and enjoy it in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Garlic, more than just a flavor booster, garlic has long been celebrated for its ability to add flavor to dishes, but its health benefits extend far beyond the kitchen. This pungent bulb contains compounds like allicin, which have been shown to reduce cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Incorporating fresh garlic into your meals is an easy and delicious way to support your heart health. Tomatoes, a tasty source of lycopene. Tomatoes are not only a versatile ingredient in the kitchen, they're also packed with heart-healthy nutrients. These juicy red fruits are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. Whether enjoyed fresh in salads, cooked in sauces, or blended into soups, tomatoes are a delicious addition to any heart-healthy diet. Green tea, sip your way to heart health. Swap out your morning cup of coffee for a refreshing mug of green tea, and you'll be giving your heart a much-needed boost. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown to improve blood vessel function, lower cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Plus, its gentle caffeine content provides a mild energy boost without the jittery side effects of coffee. In conclusion, incorporating these 10 superfoods into your diet can help you boost your health and support a heart-healthy lifestyle. From berries and salmon to leafy greens and dark chocolate, there are plenty of delicious and nutritious options to choose from. So why not start today? Your heart will thank you for it.